Ginger offers many health benefits to our lungs. Due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, ginger causes bronchodilation in asthmatic patients. Various animal and human clinical studies have demonstrated the bronchodilatory effects of ginger. Ginger also breaks down the thick mucus and helps to expel out the mucus. Curcumin has been shown to improve lung function and reduce inflammation in the airways. It may also protect the lungs from damage caused by pollution and smoking. In fact, studies found that curcumin intake resulted in improved lung function in healthy adults. Rosemary oil works as an expectorant when inhaled, relieving throat congestion from allergies, colds, or flus. Inhaling the aroma can fight respiratory infections because of its antiseptic properties. It also has an antispasmodic effect, which helps in the treatment of bronchial asthma. Ingredients: rosemary, ginger, turmeric. Drink 1 glass before bed.